Hey beauties, let's paint a soft floral nail with watercolor and gold. Super dreamy. Let's get started. First, I apply a matte top coat over a pearl white base. This helps control the watercolor better. Now, I use blue watercolor to paint a rose. I tap color onto the nail, then use a dry brush to shape each petal. Watercolor doesn't need a UV lamp. Just let it dry for a minute or two. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and left a comment. Your support means so much and helps me keep creating more amazing content for you. Next, I add a few tiny leaves using the same technique. Color first, then shape with a dry brush. Now I apply a thin layer of top coat to lock in the watercolor design. Using gold metallic gel, I draw the flower stem and a few golden leaves for extra detail. To finish, I add a glossy top coat and done. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute nail ideas.